Truck update is 7 a.m. PST, October 13th. And look what we got here. Tropical storm Lorenzo, 4 from 97L earlier this morning. It has become better organized. It has formed a closed low level circulation. Convection has formed. Um, it has showed tropical storm force winds. Uh, wow. Well, 36 knots, microwave, pass at 406 UTC. This also showed the improved structure organization under the Cirrus. Dockford showed 2.5 or 35 knots. So all this aborts it may upgrade to 40 knots. It was moving at 305 by 15 knots. Um, yeah. This show northwestward motion with some additional slowdown in Cipher today has led to a positive weakness in the subtropical region, reduced by the upper level trough in the path of the tropical cyclone. This trough is expected to fracture and shift to the southwest of the sister inland, which should turn northward between this feature and the eroded mid-level ridge Sendo the Cupa Verde Islands. Ultimately, this ridge should result in the cyclone recurring to the northeast around it as it comes under influence of broad scale below westerly flow. Eh. Let's look at the models. And as you can see, that is definitely what happens. It turns more and more northward over the next 48 hours, then northeastward through uh, 3, 4, 5 days, potentially even looping around. Um, GEFS also shows this. This is very interesting. Let's take a look at Lorenzo as of right now. This it's 7 a.m. and that was, what can I say, 2 a.m. when that advisory came out. And let's be honest, it's looking pretty damn good. I mean, in my opinion, it's like about 45 knots, maybe a little bit more. But the LSC is right about there. It does appear a tiny bit this year, but not much. Um, Kind of has a CDO like future. LSC, CDO. Yeah. Actually, I expected to actually strengthen potential. But let's be honest, I expected to potentially strengthen to 55 to 60 knots within the next 48 hours, and probably on the upper end of these models, closer to some of the globals we're seeing, based on appearance and but that's my opinion. Uh, there's ECMWF for Orlando showing the same thing. GEFS. Here's 6 hours from now on the GFS. 72 hours from now, 98 millibars. Potentially a hurricane. Um, CMC doesn't even show anything, but it definitely shows our other system. We're going to be watching off the Cape, from off the Cape Verge in about 3 to 4 days. I'm marking that as 20%. 1,003 at 96 hours. GFS doesn't develop it, but enablers definitely develop it. Here's the Eastern WF. Takes it towards the islands. A lot of them show in the 970s. Amazing. GFS enablers, quite a few of them show the same thing. Uh, 126. Yeah, 1,001 for Lorenzo. Uh, but hey, you got the system off Mexico, which let's just say has 40% chance of development in the next 7 days. They're expecting it to form potentially at a patch could form as it moves northward. The northwestern area just offshore the coast of Mexico. Um, that's also worth watching. Could also be a threat to Mexico. 162 AGFS shows Lorenzo looping. It doesn't even develop their system. I mean, what in the fuck? It shows a 99 hurricane east of the leeward at 168. Is 144 on the CMC. I mean, her is the GFS. It doesn't show it. Let's go to the 168 on the GFS. Yeah, it shows a Lorenzo at 990. But, wow. Very, very interesting. ECMWS doesn't show either system on 144. 186 in the GFS shows the Lorenzo pretty much looping west southwestward. It shows the system off Mexico. It, the GFS doesn't even develop. The general GFS doesn't even develop the system that the neighbors are showing, which is weird. All the CMC does. Icon also does. ECAI really doesn't show anything here for 120. Let's go for 162. Not really. Yeah. Let's go through 228. Wow. Definitely shows up potentially Lorenzo as a hurricane still around doing its thing. Let's be honest. Lorenzo, I think, has about a 50-50 chance of becoming a hurricane in the next 5 to 6 days. Could be around a long time. I mean, could be around the next 10 days doing loops. Um, that second system call came first, I think, at a 20% during the next 7 days, but that could rise quite fast if other models come around and support it. The system of Mexico has about, I agree with 40%. That's your topic update.